guys, this is Violet. She's an artist. Violet, do you know how to make a color wheel? Oh, that's okay. We can do it together. Let's start with the 6 rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. We'll start out with the 3 most important colors, the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Those go on the color wheel with the space between them. We'll add the other colors in next. Orange, green, and violet are called secondary colors. Let's start with orange. Orange is made by mixing red and yellow, so it goes between them on the color wheel. Next, let's do green. Green goes between blue and yellow because it's made by mixing them. Finally, we'll make violet. Violet goes between red and blue because you make it by mixing them together. Now we've used all 6 colors and we've created our very own color wheel. Now Violet, do you remember how to make each of the secondary colors by mixing the primary colors? You don't remember? That's okay. Let's practice together. Let's start by mixing red and yellow. What does that make? Orange. Great job. Next, if we mix red and blue, what would that make? Violet. Great job. And finally, if we mix yellow with blue, what will that make? Green. Excellent. Now, do you remember what the groups of colors are called? Red, yellow, and blue are called what colors? Primary colors. Great job. And orange, green, and violet are called what kind of colors? Secondary colors. You're right. You've done it. You've made your very own color wheel and learned color mixing. Great job, Violet. Thanks for making art with me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.